Hi, I'm Chandraprakash Padiyar, Senior Fund Manager at Tata Asset Management. Indian equity markets are now at an interesting point with general optimism over business growth pickup and sustenance of all-time high profit margins being delivered by corporate India over the past few quarters. Nifty 50 valuations stand at 18.2 times FY23 estimated earnings and an EPS growth of 20% plus CAGR as reported by Bloomberg consensus estimates. Some sectors like banks, industrials, cement, auto, commodities are expected to grow earnings at a fast pace on a low base of earnings, while others like IT, pharma, consumer are likely to continue on their steady earning growth trend. The market movement has been very broad-based, with every sector having participated in the rally, and in fact, the mid-cap and small-cap segment of the market continues to outperform the large-cap segment. Government has chosen to incentivize manufacturing in India along with infrastructure investments. The newly implemented production-linked incentives scheme are proving to be a good success, especially in the electronics manufacturing space. China Plus One strategy being implemented by global OEMs is helping the cause for India manufacturing. This is likely to improve private corporate capital expenditure over the next 2 to 3 years, improving job availability in the economy. In terms of risk for the market, fiscal deficit is likely to remain on the higher side, with government choosing to focus on growth, thereby putting pressure on bond yields higher. State governments do not have much room for any significant infrastructure capex going ahead on account of COVID-19 pandemic. Higher commodity prices in the near term, along with continued dislocation on global sea freight, is likely to impact profit margins for some corporates. Overall, risk reward is balanced currently, and hence I remain cautiously optimistic on equity markets. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.